The incredible journey of Jeff Bezos from Greg to billionaire empire. Jeff Bezos, the man who revolutionized online shopping, built an empire from scratch and is now reaching for the stars. From humble beginnings in a Greg to becoming one of the richest people on earth. Bezos' journey is nothing short of inspiring. But how did he do it? Let's take a deep dive into the life of Jeff Bezos, the mastermind behind Amazon. Born on 12 January 1964 in Albuquerque, New Mexico, Jeffrey Present Bezos had an early passion for technology and innovation. Raised by his mother, Jacqueline, and his stepfather, Miguel Bezos, a Cuban immigrant, young Jeff showed signs of brilliance from an early age. He even set up a makeshift laboratory in his parents' garage. Bezos was a curious child who loved dismantling gadgets to see how they work. His family moved to Houston, Texas, where he attended River Oaks Elementary. Later, they relocated to Miami, Florida, where he excelled at Miami Palomito High School. There, he developed a love for captures and even became a National Merit Scholar. In 1986, Bezos graduated from Princeton University with degree in electrical engineering and computer science. He was a standout student fascinated by space and technology. He even considered working at NASA before diving into the world of finance. After Princeton, Bezos landed a job at a Wall Street firm called D.E. Shaw. It was here that he honed his business acumen, but in 1994, he stumbled upon a life-changing statistic. Internet usage was growing at 200% per year. That's when the idea for an online bookstore was born. With a bold vision and unwavering determination, Bezos quit his well-paying job, packed his bags, and moved to Seattle. In his garage, he started working on his dream, an online bookstore called Amazon, named after the world's largest river to size, scale, and ambition. Bezos launched Amazon.com in 1995. The goal to create a digital bookstore that offered a limitless selection and unbeatable prices with just a few employees. Amazon started selling books online, and within weeks it was generating thousands of dollars in sales. But success did not come easy. Amazon faced logistical nightmares, funding issues, and fierce competition because it had to convince investors that e-commerce was the future. And guess what? His gamble paid off. By 1997, Amazon went public, and soon it was expanding beyond books, selling electronics, toys, and even groceries. Over the years, Bezos transformed Amazon into a tech behemoth. Innovation like Amazon Prime, Kindly, and AWS, Amazon Web Services, reshaped industries. The company's customer-first approach helped it dominate e-commerce globally. Bezos was obsessed with long-term vision. His famous motto, "Get big fast," pushed Amazon to take risks. From acquiring Whole Foods to launching Alexa, Amazon kept expanding, making Bezos a billionaire in the process. But Bezos did not stop at Earth. In 2000, he founded Blue Origin, a space exploration company with the mission to make space travel affordable. His dream to build a future where millions of people live and work in space. In 2021, he even took a short trip to space aboard Blue Origin's New Shepard rocket. Despite his success, Bezos has faced criticism. Amazon has been scrutinized for its workplace conditions, aggressive business practices, and impact on small business. However, Bezos continues to push forward, focusing on new innovation and philanthropy. In 2021, Bezos steps down as Amazon CEO, handing over the reins to Andy जैसे. But he is far from retiring now. He is focusing on space, climate, initiatives and philanthropy, ensuring his legacy extends beyond e-commerce. From a crack startup to one of the most powerful men in the world, Jeff Bezos' story proves that innovation, risk-taking and persistence can change the world. Whether you admire him or criticize him, there's no denying his impact on business, technology and even space exploration. So what do you think about Jeff Bezos' journey? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring stories.